Hello everyone, thanks for participating in Module 1. We have had a very fruitful exchange of ideas, experiences and materials, and now we have built a common understanding of the relevance of transparency and access to public information to improve accountability. Welcome to Module 2. The experiences that we are about to share in this module are related to innovative measures of citizen oversight in critical areas prone to corruption, such as procurement processes, elections, and budget execution and other critical management areas. We know that many of you have been waiting for this topic, so this is the time for you to contribute and share more of your work. Now, we have posted some information about the opportunities that there are for some of you to come to Latin America and visit and meet face-to-face with people and local experts that have been involved in oversight. There is also some information about the certificates that will be given to you for participating in this Learning Alliance. You will notice that there is also information about the awards that will be given to fund the innovative proposals made by participants to put knowledge into practice. So don't forget to look at this information. We are looking forward to your active participation in this module.